Okay.
No pressure.
No, I'm fine, and as soon as Grant's watching me. Hi, my name is Isabelle, and I'm a mechanical engineering student here at the University of Queensland. I chose to study at UQ because of its widely accredited program that's ranked within the top 50 in the world. So right now we're in the UQ Innovate workshop. It's a wonderful space dedicated to student learning and has allowed me to take my experience from 0 to 100. I spend most of my days in here designing new parts. Before starting at UQ, I had never touched a tool, but since starting here I've worked on projects including rockets, race cars, ventilators, and everything in between. During my first year, I spent some time in a practical taking apart a lawnmower engine and putting it back together, and since then I've been inspired to figure out how things work in the world around me. So I chose mechanical engineering so that I could design everyday objects. In my time here at UQ, I've benefited from some of the many scholarships on offer, and they've taken me everywhere from China, Japan, and Europe. Those trips have kick-started a love of the entrepreneurial spirit and have opened my eyes to the opportunities around the world for engineers like myself. So UQ Ventures is a flagship program here at UQ, and it has allowed me to gain more experience in the field of entrepreneurship and startups, all the way from day one up to now when I run my own business. That is actually true. I own a finance company. A piece of advice that I would give would be to just give it a go. I think when we envision where we see ourselves in the future, we quite often are not telling the entire truth. So let me try. I don't know. It's hard because I didn't know that I wanted to study engineering, and I didn't come into engineering thinking that I was going to be really great at this. I came in sort of just wanting to solve problems that I saw around me. And I didn't foresee myself being here in work boots, but giving it a go, I found out that I actually really loved it and ended up sticking with it. I can talk for hours about engineering.